Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the future of farming in Europe. I don't know if you can see the stars. Maybe I'll see if I can turn the... Oh no, I can't turn the... Well, you'd have to be here to enjoy the stars. But every night, here I am. Like, this is the only time I can do weeding when it's not plus 40 degrees. So we've got some beans coming on. Obviously with the lamp frontale, you know, the head torch, I'm getting fucking attacked left, right and centre by all mosquitoes. Thankfully not horse flies, so it's not a massive problem. But anyway, so I'm trying to weed this section. Oi! There he is with those two little spots there and there. He's just like, oh, come on, I don't want to do stuff. But this is how it's been now for many weeks, and it really messes with your body clock. But here I am trying to grow this Indian mustard here, for example, and then I've got all this. I know there's a load of dandelions in there, but that's not a massive problem. We can eat those as well. Then I've got all my chou cal frisé, you know, the kale, which people have not eaten. They refuse to eat it locally, but they will when there's nothing else to eat, because there's nothing else to eat. I mean, I've got a couple of aubergines. I've got quite a few aubergines, but here you just can't see it. You just can't see what I'm doing. Cat's over there as well, doing a hunting thing. It's just this is it. This is the only way we can actually get any work done. So I've got these beautiful beans in flower, and I think on the other side I've got some courgettes on the go now, so that's good. And I've got some green courgette there. A lot of this is getting decimated by the papillon, by the caterpillars, and interestingly the birds are having a go now, which is just unheard of in the Ariège. So here, you know, these are the cabbages. They're looking shit, they're doing nothing. I'm really worried that they're just going to stick the flag up like everything else. But this is my world, so I wait until like 8 o'clock maybe. I'll wait until about... Here comes the team. Look. Here's a cat, here's a dog. I'll wait until about 8 o'clock in the evening so I can put the first watering on. Then I come back down, that's when I have a shower and I eat and I sort my day out. Basically 8 o'clock in the evening is my morning. And you still have to do all the shit during the day, you know, people don't stop coming to your door and asking you to help with stuff. You always got to. I really do wish I could show you these stars. It's absolutely amazing. I can see the Milky Way and everything. And then I'll do a bit of weeding, or I'll you know, maybe I'll preload a bit of work whilst the sun's up. So I'll do that kind of stuff first. I mean, it's interesting. It's like gardening on another planet. But what I have to do is keep moving the watering thing. I mean, I'll take you up there. Every 2 hours or so that at least I can do like a quarter of the garden a night. So this is what we're doing. Oh, there's no way you can see. Hold on, I'll let the sprinkler pass. There we go. So our setup now is on top of the barrel. I've got the cage and the sprinkler. It just gives me such a large space, so that these beans, which are now in flower, survive. Some people might say this is a grotesque amount of effort for a few beans, and in all honesty I agree. But everyone I know has abandoned their garden and their businesses in favour of just getting a job. And then everyone else tells me, you know, just get a job, Samuel. And I'm like, well, that's all very well and good, but what do I eat for lunch if there's no food? If there's no food, what do we eat? So, covered in moths. So I'm really busy. Not that anyone's going to watch this video or even give a shit, even if they did. You know, I've got a few strawberries still. You know, so we're doing something right. 42 degrees today in the shade. And it's been like this for basically months. So I know England's all stressed in that, but I've been living it for quite a while. So anyway, I'm going to try and I'm going to keep going to my own health detriment, to my own circadian rhythm problems, my own finances, other people's finances as well, by the looks of it. I'm just going to keep going because we absolutely have to find a new way to grow food. And I will not stop. I've got no children, I've got no purpose in life apart from to keep my animals alive, and with any luck my gift to the world will be finding a new trick or two to I mean, look, that is a really healthy haricot, really healthy. So my gift will be, I found a way to grow through all this heat nonsense. I can't do much more than that. But climate change is not just about the change in the climate. Now, it's too late. I will say this every time I make a video. We need to change. We need to change now. Half of the change in that word is us. We need to change. Just prepare yourself for eventually thinking, I can't drive my car. It just can't be done anymore. You know? Every time you buy fuel, you're literally adding to the coffers of the Russian attack on Ukraine. And I don't want to be part of it. Anyway, I'm going to stop there because I've got so much to do. And I've even got to get home and water the polytunnels, and I've got some problems there. These are butternuts that, with my love and attention, are doing okay. We do have fruits on them. I'll show you one just to prove it. Here's one, look. So no one's going to see this video anytime soon, but what does it matter? Alright, lots of love, everybody. I mean it. The world is hard, everyone's stressed, everyone's tired. We all need to love each other, stop accusing each other of shit that's not true, and maybe just talk stuff out before we flid out. Yeah. Or fatalist, fuck it. You know, let the world burn, I don't give a shit.